Health is a state of being and wellness is the state of living a healthy lifestyle. The simple mantra for a healthy living therefore is proactively adopt wellness as a way of life. It sounds simple, isn't it? Let us look at how can we proactively approach to adopt this.
Healthcare experts have been talking about the silent pandemic called lifestyle diseases for a very long time. A simple example is, if you are obese with a sedentary lifestyle, you have a greater chances of having hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and you will have to start on medications for bringing it under control. The question then is, can we avoid or postpone the onset of this lifestyle disease? Let me quote from Gautam Buddha, who said, "Every human being is the author of his own health or disease. So if we want to enhance our well-being, then we have to adopt a holistic, managed lifestyle." For disease prevention.
The next question is, where do I start? What is my approach to wellness? Well, the best guide to wellness is when we approach managing health in a holistic way. Then the question arises, what does holistic mean? IT means that rather than focusing on an illness or just specific parts of the body, we must approach it as a wholesome part where we emphasize on the connection of mind, body, and spirit. This balance is very critical for physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Today even physicians are adopting holistic medicine. They are focused on prevention first and treatment second. Health is wealth is an age-old saying. The wealth of health can only be earned and preserved through the 5 principles, or the chakras, like positive thinking, by practicing self-discipline, exercise of body and mind, gratitude and cheerfulness. So one must give due place to proper nutrition, self-control, physical exercises, proper sleep, laughter, and meditation. Digital wellness is aimed at promoting health and wellness digitally through various platforms, thereby increasing both the physical and mental health quotient. We are starting another new series at Digital Wellness called Bits Bytes, where you will hear experts providing simple tips and words of wisdom. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for interesting bits and bytes.